Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a Google account and the 16-character Play gift card code. Open your iPhone browser and navigate to Play. Google.com/redeem. This works because the iPhone cannot run the Google Play app. Once on the page, sign into the exact Google account you want the balance on, enter the code, and tap Redeem. Doing it here adds funds to your Google Play balance, which is necessary before you can buy anything tied to Google services. Once done, make sure to verify the new balance under Payments and Subscriptions on the Google Play account page. That confirms redemption. You can use that balance for apps, in-app purchases, movies, books, or subscriptions purchased through Google Play, but note, purchases must go through Google Play or an Android device tied to the same account. When buying, choose Google Play Balance as the payment method. If you plan recurring subscriptions, set the Play balance as default so charges draw from it first. To complete purchases from your iPhone, either use the Google Play web storefront or switch to an Android device signed into the same account. Payments will draw from the redeemed balance. Make sure the Google account country matches the card's country because region mismatches commonly block redemption. If the code fails, double-check characters, confirm the card is activated, and contact Google Play support with the card details. That solves most issues and gets your balance usable quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.